getting voltage across. Okay, getting voltage across there. Okay. Let's see a starter location on this thing's down there. I gotta pull the fan.
Not if you're Maxi Flex.
That's on here.
But I donated it. It was a pretty new battery, so I kept it.
Makes sense.
And it works. You know, I started it, backed it up. No.
Wait a minute, did my thing go bad? You know what? It just lit up.
Now, can I put this one in the Corolla?
Don't tell me this thing just went out on me. That really sucks. You have the keys to this one? Or the inside? Okay. Hello. Not quite yet. Still working on it. Still working on it. So the problem is not the battery solution. It's a connection solution.
That boxer. That boxer from next door.
Oh,
I mean, it's a good. I mean, there's not a mild dog because he'll come into my yard and poop, and they won't. They don't clean it up.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Why is this giving me so much negative connection?
Actually, let me keep that running.
See, I pulled this off, and I got connection. Something's definitely going on.
It's a starter?
I'm not quite sure. I know right now we have a connection issue. So try to crank it for me one more time. Let me. Hopefully I
The
can get
keys on
hit.
the deck. Oh. Nothing. Yeah.
That makes sense. Come on. There we go. Just want to check something.
Now, technically, when you put that in, this little metal piece was supposed to be on top of this, right? And when it was seated, you know, before picture, after picture, but it just wouldn't work that way.
Yeah, y'all do have it completely extended way further than it should be. It should be on this guide.
Correct, but it wouldn't seat like that. And I'm like, well, it's tight, it's not moving. I thought, okay, it's going to be okay. Just wanted to bring that to your attention because that was one thing I noticed when replacing it, you know, about a month ago.
Let me grab a.
And it did work.
For a while.
Yeah.
But then that I'm trying to see if that metal piece is causing a problem now. Okay, take this off. Okay, take you and put you back here. Take that over here. Get a good connection here. Okay. Take you down.
Oh, it's beeping.
Okay, try to crank it for me. All right, stop. Yeah, something's grounding. We're getting arcs back here.
What if we disconnected the alternator?
I did.
Oh, never mind. You already thought that.
Yep. I'm gonna try something else real quick. Okay, just did a tune-up on it. Took care of her connection problem. The issue was the battery wasn't getting a good connection. Fires right up, no hesitation this time. The issue she had was this wasn't getting good connection, so I have to figure that out. Everything else is good, running properly. Just go build her and then we'll go off to the next one.